The bodies of baby Holly's parents were found in a wooded area of Houston 40 years ago, but they couldn't be identified at the time. Their murders were a cold case mystery for 4 decades. Then last year, a company that offers DNA services to law enforcement was able to positively identify the bodies. At the time of their deaths, the couple had a 1-year-old daughter named Holly, who was not found with her parents' bodies. Well, according to a release from the Texas Attorney General's office, she was recently located in central Oklahoma on what would have been her father's birthday. Now 42 years old, that little girl. It remains unclear what happened to Holly 4 decades ago and how she ended up in Oklahoma. The investigation into the murders of Holly's parents, well, that's still ongoing. Coming up, reality TV stars take a trip to Pittsburgh to promote a pro-life cause. Plus, the Carthage, Missouri Chamber celebrates a big birthday.
Join us for the Sportsman's Minute, Thursday mornings on KOAM Morning News.
Silver Dollar City. Discover adventure together.
Fridays in June, 6 p.m. to 10 p.m., adventure awaits. Indigo Sky Casino.
Severe weather. It can happen anytime. No matter which of our stations you're watching, you can take comfort knowing we'll be here for you. The KOAM Weather Team, here to keep you safe when severe weather strikes. Sponsored by John Cotton Roofing.
Whether you're looking to maintain your yard or your whole ranching operation, Heritage Tractor has John Deere mower and tractor packages that make work fly by. We offer a variety of horsepower and attachment configurations, so you can find the right package to fit your needs and budget. Stop by one of our 21 convenient locations to learn more about our exclusive mower and tractor packages, or shop us online at heritagetractor.com.
Hi, I'm Andy with Kramer's Meats. We serve the finest and freshest meat. KC strips, fillets, ribeyes, T-bones, and more. Roasts, brisket, ground beef, chuck, and sirloin. Come see us, the Kramer family, saving you money since 1966.
My determination creates sustainable solutions for local parks. Every day, AmeriCorps members and volunteers live out their values to make communities stronger. What's at your core? Learn more at AmeriCorps.gov.
The Spigarelli Law Firm has been practicing in Kansas and Missouri for over 50 years. We're part of this community, so we're passionate about helping people that have been hurt in a wreck or at work. At Spigarelli, our decades of successful trial experience is what sets us apart, as we have the experience required to win in the courtroom. If you need a trustworthy firm to defend your rights, call Spigarelli Law Firm for a free consultation or fill out the easy form at spigarelli-law.com. That's spigarelli-law.com.
What makes for a great vacation depends on who you ask. Are you looking to get away or bring everyone together? Do you want to get outside and play or see a play at the plate? Do you want to feed your soul or stuff your face? Fortunately, however you operate, I've got you covered. The name's Missouri, but you can call me Mo. And I have just one question. What's your MO?
Kansas pro-life organization today brought their message to Pittsburgh. The guest speakers for an event at St. Mary's Colgan High School included Lisa and Alan Robertson from the TV show Duck Dynasty. They're participating in a campaign called Value Them Both. It's in support of a proposed change to the Kansas state constitution that would permit the state to adopt stricter anti-abortion laws.
Hoping that this helps all citizens in Pittsburgh to get engaged with the Value Them Both campaign to protect moms and babies and really help them understand how this is an issue that every Kansan, no matter where they are on the issue of abortion, should engage in.
The proposed amendment will appear on Kansas ballots on August 2nd.